In the last Ethereum video, I said that we're gonna be raging here, or we're gonna break this trend line and we dump. And dump we did. And my target was until this level. Obviously, we took profit on the way down, but we didn't manage to take profit. And I'm still holding my shorts because I'm very interested in taking some good positions on Ethereum. I've always so hedged it with some longs, but as long as this line is protected, we are very bearish right now. We did have a confirmation, like a start of a bull trend right here with proper volume, which is a little worrying for shorts, but it's good for the bulls. If we go to the Heikin to just look at what happens when money flow does what it's about to do right now, we had a massive pump. And if money flow does this on the opposite side, if we see view up this graphing curving and money flow continuing down into the red, we will dump very hard. So here are a few scenarios and basically the way I'll be trading this. Obviously this video is no financial advice. Here's a few things. First of all, I'll mark out the levels right here where people have their stop losses here and here, and also on the long side I definitely think that this is a nice area. So from here I'll be waiting on one of these moves to take either a short or a long. That's basically how I'm planning to trade Ethereum. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. I would love to know them. If you want to learn more from me, 274 grand profit on meme coins. My course in the description down below, made it the cheapest course ever. I also have a signals chat and also some bonuses. If you go to the link in the description, there's 8 grand in bonuses from BingX, so check them out. See you next video.